I'm cooking aloo Qeema. This is a ground beef. I added onion, pepper and ginger. So here I'm going to add it now black seed, turmeric powder, cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of tomato sauce and garlic. Garlic is under there and there's a little bit cumin seed here. So I put top of garlic so it goes straight to the pot. So right here it will cook very fast. So I cook already 15 minutes this ground meat keema, which called keema in Urdu language, and Punjabi also is Hindi keema. So this is non-veg dish. This tomato sauce. So now I'm going to add it potato here, which is aloo. They call it aloo in famous worldwide. So now I'm going to start cooking slow fire, slow flame, so that will cook like a maybe next 25 to 30 minutes or until tender. It may tender a little early, so then I'm going to make short video after this.